18. Back again with another video. I know the other two videos, they were really bad. I was just doing something stupid, like, So, we're gonna join my friend's Minecraft video. World. So, so this is our world. We had, like, found really a lot of gold and diamond everywhere. But it was all the way far down here, because we use the rowboats, we use. First, we had to start out with wood, stuff. We found some wool. It's our old house, used to go mining. But the best thing is that when we went inside the rowboat, we found a lot of gold and diamonds. Here's our first submarine we tried to make. But it was really bad because there was a lot of bad things that was going on with it. So yeah, here's the first one. It's a really bad tour of the first one. Like, what the heck? What happened, dudes? Like, dude. We had got stuck down here because I started just mining all the way down here for no reason. So, this is what happened. So, but we're trying to make another one. We don't know what another one. That's so funny. So, we made another one. And here this is what it looks like. We still have some technical flaws with it, but all is good. So here, I can't get inside there. It's so hard. Get inside there. Okay, just gonna Okay, so here's how it's actually look. This is like the control room gear and stuff. So we have how we launch and stuff. Then we go down here. I haven't really been in the submarine that much. Have some food, some fuel, a chair, stuff. I guess my friend Jahkeem has joined the video. So, where is Jahkeem now? Oh yeah, redstone. Maybe next video we might be making some redstone builds, like redstone workshop and stuff, like, cause Jahkeem, he has this one world when we have a redstone workshop, and it's kind of really good. So yeah, we're just gonna make some redstone like creations and stuff. Oh yeah, here's this one mini game that we have. We have like a really lot of mini games. So first you get a bow, some arrows, whatever. You come onto this side. And as you can see, is that every single color is each a point. So this white one that looks like nether quartz is 5. Red one that looks like dead wool or something, 10. This baby blue wool, 15. The what's this stone called again? This stone, like, let's see, 20. The stone, 25. Wood, 38. No, 30. And stone, bricks, 35. And I think this is nether quartz, and the other one was like, oh no, this is iron. Iron, 40. Clay, 45. Orange, wood, 50. Orange wool, 55. And I guess least but not final, 60. So, here's my friend Jahkeem. I guess he's doing some thing. I don't know what he's doing. Did he like? Oh yeah, he has his golden apples. So I'm gonna try to see if I can make it all the way to 60 points, or at least not all the way to 5. So this is how you mostly do the game. Too far. You get on top of this. You come all the way back here. You shoot. And see how my friend made it. It was really good. But here's my arrow. Collect this arrow. Here's my arrow, person. My arrow. See how I made it all the way into purple. As Jahkeem's keep trying to make it all the way to purple. So, I guess we're gonna go to the nether now. So we're going to the nether. Wait, let me get some gear in my house. I really want you to tell how my house looks. Like, should I? I'm gonna show you. Just tell me how my house looks in the description. Like, should I add anything inside on the bottom floor? Cause I just made the bottom floor for no reason, but the top is like really nice. You should see. Well, I'm gonna show you right now. So here's bottom floor. It's like all of my favorite colors and stuff, like blue, purple, yellow, green. I have like me some potion bottles, apple, cake. So yeah, what I all have inside here. Oh, did something. I don't know if I did a glitch, but it made me have a whole bunch of leggings and pants, diamond armor, and all enchanted. Made me get a whole bunch. Like, I didn't know what I did. Oh, I guess I need to go to the nether. Because I think my friend jahkeem went inside there. Let me eat a golden apple before I go inside there. What's this? Something's inside here? What? Oh, here we go. So, yeah. I don't want these to, nobody get inside there. Woohoo! So, here, coming to the nether. See what's happening in the nether. I think my friend jahkeem. So, here. Whoa, what's going on inside here? The gas shoot it up? Like, dang. Luckily, I ate a golden apple. Oh no! The guy shot up at me. I guess I need to kill it. Time for Junior. O'Neil Ninja 18 to save the day. As my little cousin do, he like save the day. Oh gosh! Oh gosh! I need to get inside here. Okay, let's see where this gas is at. Whoa, it's 2 gas! Woo! That's a lot of fire right there. Oh, don't try to fly away, little boys. Take that! You ain't gonna kill me today. Eat this, booty face. I killed 1 gas. Oh no, this other gas is really, really hard. Whoa! It was 4 gas? But I killed 1. Oh gosh, this is hard. Oh gosh. jahkeem, I think we need a retreat. Retreat! 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 Ah, retreat! 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 Oh, I can't get up. I might die. I need a retreat! Retreat! Oh, retreat! Hurry up! I knocked jahkeem right back into the nether, out of the nether portal, sucker. Wait. Oh no, I think he might be back. He hasn't came back yet. Uh-oh. So I'm back. Whoa, what's wrong with my nether portal? I came on another one. Like, uh-oh, something happened. Okay, so I guess my friend went off. I'm stuck. I don't know what happened, but let's see. I have some that I played, but it's not really good. Let me go to the. Oh, I think my friend's back on. Back up. So here,